Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make Paper Aeroplane. Okay, so it is not like every day we just upload games, so today I'm going to do some craft. I thought that we should try some craft also in our channel. So let's start. So guys, over here we have a pamphlet. You can do it on any sheet, but it should be rectangular like this one. So let's just start. So the first step is you have to take these two sides and fold it like this. See, you have to fold. You can fold on any side, guys. It's not compulsory. So over here first step is done. Now the second step is you have to unfold it. And if you are not able to see this line over here in the middle, then you have to fold it again, guys, because this line is the main line. Now the next step is you have to take this right or left corner, whatever you want, and do it like this on the line which you made. Right? On the line which you made, you have to pull it on right over there and press it hard. Okay, so our next step is you have to take the other side also. Actually it is not that perfect. Oh yes, I know it is. Why not perfect? Okay, so just make it perfect. Perfect will make it fly. See, it is just perfect. Now you have to take this up one and put it right over here. Just over here. This line just above over here. See. Over here, this is done. Our fifth step is done. Now our next step is you have to just take this one again, which you did last time. You have to do that step on the line. Yes. Okay, so over here this step is also done. And now do it same from the other side. So this is also done. And now you have to take this one. This over here it is. See? You have to take it and pull it up. See, like this. So you just put it up. Press hard. See, it should look like this. And now you have to take this and put it right behind. See, it should look like this. See, okay? So now you have to take this one, this flap, and just fold it perfect. You have to take this and put it again over here. See, like this. You have to put it again over here. So our white paper plane is ready to fly and touch the sky. Okay, so here our plane is ready. You can do it like this and make it fly and touch the sky. Woohoo! Bye guys. I think so we should end this video up. I'll meet you in the next video with something amazing. Bye guys. See you in the next video.